Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So I'm here at the Jefferson Parkhouse. It's their one bedroom model. We just saw the kitchen in the living room and man, this is so cute. Now we're gonna go in the bedroom and bath. So let's go in the bedroom here. The bedroom's adorable. Look at that. It's just so fun. You're just gonna feel like you're not gonna wanna leave your apartment. It just feels fun, adorable. It's got a nice window there. The shades are closed, but in this case, it's got views of the pool. Really nice wall there. You can put your dresser and things like that. This has a really pretty carpet in here. The rest of the apartment though is a really nice luxe vinyl. And then here's the bathroom. The bathroom is very nice. A really nice lighted mirror. That's really pretty. And then we walk here and see the closet. The closet, the shower. The shower is gorgeous. It's very pretty. And then we go into the closet here. The closet looks great, looks awesome, and the closet's just good. And then now we go back out here and we go into the kitchen and the living room. Hey, this is a gorgeous apartment. I love it. I'd recommend to see this actually with a virtual tour. Send me a request in and just say, hey, Grant, I'd love to see this on a live virtual tour. I'll take care of that for you as early as today, and it'll be 100% free. You can also reach out with questions anytime just about apartments in the area. We help all of the best apartments. So send a question at any time. I look forward to hearing from you.